This morning, we also announced an investment in West Kentucky. Leaders at HHO Carbon Clean Systems are investing over $6.6 million to locate the company's first Kentucky manufacturing operation in Paducah. And this project is creating 35 quality jobs for area residents. HHO manufactures hydrogen-based products, including carbon cleaning systems for diesel engines for improved fuel efficiency. Now the company is expanding to produce hydrogen-fueled torches for use in heating, welding, brazing, and cutting. These patent-pending HydroTorches provide a safer alternative to traditional welding torches, which require the storage of compressed gas and can emit harmful greenhouse gases. The future is even brighter for this company as its leaders are in the early stage of development of additional hydrogen-powered products that will help lower emissions and increase fuel efficiency for vehicles and provide residential heating and cooling services with zero emissions. Thank you to the leaders at HHO for selecting Kentucky for this tremendous project. We look forward to helping the company continue to grow.
HHO Carbon Clean Systems, because clean engines run better.